Go big or go home. The idea of having an oversized accessory on the dining room table makes perfect sense. One big piece can take the place of many. So this green really stands out on this long table, and as a little extra coordinating touch, the candles match the green. This is one of my all-time favorite chairs. What I love about it is it's not boxy. So if you feel that your furniture at home is looking a little bit square, not comfortable, even not welcoming, consider a chair like this. It has this great scoop arm that pushes you into the space. It's a very welcoming chair. Of course, it has a little bit of bling on it because we have our nail heads in silver, so a little bit shine always helps. And my favorite thing of all about this chair, besides the form, is its name. It's actually called the Roxanne chair. Cool. During those long, dark, cold, and winter nights, you may want to add a little bit more sparkle to your home. Whether it's seasonal or holiday decorating, a little shine goes a long way. So here's what we're going to do. We're not going to break the budget. We're going to work with a lot of things you probably already have at home. No fireplace, no focal point, don't worry about it. You can add a lot of decoration to pieces you already own. For instance, this is our sideboard in the dining room. Perfect place to add some decorating. On top of this is garland, and it's not even the real stuff. Yes, I've used the fakey, but it looks real, especially when it's placed here. Lay that over top so this becomes your focal point. In and around the garland, wrap in your twinkle lights. This makes a difference to give you that little bit of glow. Then finish it off with garland. This is a new type of garland. It's actually got clear beads all over it. So again, it picks up that shine, gives you a very classy look. And then pick up your average, everyday, but beautiful Christmas ornament. Nice thing about seasonal pieces like this, they add a little bit of shine, a little bit of color, and they're not expensive. Oh, and even this one. It may be big snowflakes outside, making your winter cold and dark, but this little snowflake beauty works beautifully indoors.